What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about some stocks that you need to buy for next week, given the fact everything that happened this week, okay? We got some huge buying opportunities. I want to make sure I put you in position to scoop them up so that you can make money when the market recovers, okay? Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, on the road to 100K, your boy is currently sitting at $97,436.96. Check this out guys, I am down 1.13% today, or the equivalent of $1,100 basically, okay? It's been a downturn to the end of the week, but listen, there will be some weeks like that. Everything can't always go up. Everything will not always go up in the stock market. Speaking of the week, let's look at how we actually did for the week. On the week, I'm actually up or almost made $2,000 still within the week on what is particularly a down week, okay? So there's still some good to glean out of this, and this is what I mean, guys, and I'm gonna show you more in depth in just a second about what I mean about how to invest the right way even when the market is getting smacked. Due to everything being down, guys, we have several buying opportunities, okay? You guys need to know that the cool off is happening. People are taking profits, which is one thing you should be doing. I need you guys to say you're gonna take some profits. I need you to make a decision that in some of the plays that you guys are up big in, you need to consider taking profits. That is what everybody around you is doing. That is what's happening in the stock market, because there's just too much excitement. There's too much run up and too many plays, okay? It's just too much, okay? Too far, too fast is what I like to call it. But you guys don't need to get caught holding the bag in some of these plays. And so the best thing to do is just take some profit, okay? You can still hold some of your positions, just trim them just a little bit. So if you understand what I'm saying, make sure I want to see in the comments, hashtag take profits. That's your cue. That's what you need to be doing right now so that you're not left holding the bag while everybody else is taking profits, okay? A few stocks that I want to put on your radar, kicking it off with APXT. Right now, this one is sitting under $14.50, which again, in the 14s, and at this level, it is okay to grab some shares to continue building out your position, hopefully to 125 shares minimum for those that can. For those that can't, I want you to at least work your way towards 10 to 20 shares, 25 being one of your levels, and then 50 being your max level, okay? This is a buy range, and it's giving you the gift of this week being down, okay? Sometimes they run off and you wish you could have got them. Here it is this particular week, ending out the week. We got all these stocks that's on sale right for you to take advantage, okay? $14 it is. Guys, consider this one for next week, especially if it's experienced more weakness into next week as well. You got a good one in front of you. Next is Fuel Cell, ticker symbol FCEL. Listen guys, if you could get this one in the sevens, it's a good thing, okay? 776-ish would be ideal if you can grab this, okay? But of course, if you can grab it lower than that, that's even better, okay? I gave guidance on this before, but I don't see it coming down as far as 589, at least not right now. Of course, if it does, we gotta pounce all over. But in the 776 range is where I see support is at for this play. Please scoop up some, okay, in terms of stocks that you want to get into for next week. And then this last one, guys, I just wanted to show you an example. Charge point is down over 7%, almost 8%, okay? But listen, guys, the importance of buying low is this, what I'm about to share with you guys. This is what it's all about, and this is what I say. You can still do very, very well regardless of what the market is doing. You guys know we've been in charge point. We done hit a home run in this. Hopefully you guys have taken profits in this. We were supposed to take profits at 30. It is still sitting at $38, and it is down 7% on the day. Boy, you guys gotta love it. But check this out. This stock is getting crushed, and look at my total return. So even when the stock is getting crushed, we are still up over 175%. We still making $5,000 in this play. Guys, this is what it's all about, and this is why I stress once we identify the quality stocks to invest in, buying them low, so when they have their run up and when any turbulence come, when any negative news come, when any headwinds come against it, you guys are still up big. This is why I'm never panicking, because I can go through almost every one of my plays in my overall portfolio and show you that we're up big like this in almost everything, guys. And so this is what I mean when I talk to you guys about the importance of where you buy the price of these stocks at, okay? It's not about just buying them because we're talking about them. It's when I say, hey guys, get American Airlines at 15. This is why, because you'll always be up. You'll always be winning no matter what the market does, guys. Listen, I just wanted to share that with you guys today as I prepare you all for next week. Listen, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is tailwind. Yesterday, guys, I talked to you about a headwind, okay? That is anything that comes against the market that slows down the growth of the economy. Tailwinds are the opposite. Those are things that happen that helps the economy grow, or it helps your particular stock or the company that you're investing in grow. So it could be anything such as Tesla battery day. That could be a tailwind. It could be a positive earnings report. That can be a tailwind. It can be Goldman Sachs giving it a great rating. Okay, it could be anything that serves as a tailwind that helps the stock, that helps propel the stock even higher, okay? And so tailwinds as well as headwinds are two things that you want to be mindful of happening with your plays, okay? NEO went down today, not because NEO was bad, but because NEO was diluting their shares. Dilution of their shares simply means they see the opportunity to get and make more money, so they are putting more shares out in the atmosphere so they can have more money. I told you, Wall Street looks down on that for whatever reason. It happened to DraftKings, it happened to several other plays. However, in the long run, you'll be happy that a great company that you're invested in is trying to grow and do bigger and better things, okay? However, they get hit in the short term. This is why you guys can't be one trick minded. You can't be short term minded, because in the short term, you will see days like today, and then you'll be doom and gloom and thinking everything is bad, okay? However, if you look out for the long term, this is a good move in terms of what they're trying to do. Tesla just did it. Tesla just requested $5 billion in shares, okay? That's going to make their stock price take a dent every time they do that, okay? However, they're trying to make more factories, and so it should be rewarded, but it's not. It just comes with the territory though. But if you stay 10 toes down, you guys will always come out on top when these things happen. But listen, guys, tailwind is our word of the day. Put that in your back pocket. Up next is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Hector Ordonez. He says, when LCA hits target of 30, do we sell the entire play or only take profits to get another play? Hector, this is a great question, man. I try to give guidance every single day, but I'm starting to wonder if you guys are watching the videos all the way through or not, because I get the same questions, which either means that you're new around here or you're not listening all the way through. Anyway, guys, you already know we buy at minimum 125 shares of everything we're in together, okay? One reason upon many that we do that is because when we hit the home run, meaning when we hit the price target that we set in the very onset of getting to these plays, at the least we take profit on 25 shares. So to his question, when LCA hits the 27.30 mark, at the very minimum you guys should be taking profit on 25 shares. So that means you should be selling 25 shares and holding 100 at around $27 to the $30 range, okay? That is what you would do. Now, then it's on you to determine if LCA is a long-term play for you, okay? If it is, you might as well hold it and ride it through and let all the success that that company will have take place. If it's not, you might consider selling out your whole entire position and sell the 125 shares of it all together when it hits the $27 to $30 range, okay? But again, that is all contingent upon your particular goal for that stock. So again, guys, it's important that you have a strategic plan for yourself. It's important that you have a plan for why you're investing in something, okay? You can't just not know why you're in something and then when it's come time to sell, you don't know how many stocks to sell. It's all about you. How much money do you want? How much money do you need? What is your goals? Are you guys trying to buy a house? Are you trying to put a down payment on something? Are you trying to pay off student loans? Are you trying to grow your investment income? What is your goals for why these plays are going to double, triple, and quadruple with me? Always be thinking about that and then always act accordingly. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.